How to fix Snapchat sound not working. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Now click on the avatar given at the top left. You'll be directed to the profile page. Click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and navigate to the option notifications. Make sure you have enabled for all these options. If not, you can just enable it. Once you check this, you can head back. Now you'll need to make sure you haven't enabled Do Not Disturb mode. To check that, you can launch your control center, head over to the option focus, and make sure you haven't enabled for any of these options. Once you check this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to check is launch your settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option notification. From the list of the apps, find Snapchat and launch it. Check in for all these options as well as enable for all these options, sound badges. With this, you'll be good to go. Now you can head back, scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. From the list of the apps, find Snapchat. Once you find it, launch it. Enable for the option microphone and camera. In case you have disabled for these options, enable it. Lastly, what you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device and uninstall the Snapchat app and again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on it, select delete app and click on delete. Then you can navigate to App Store, search for the app Snapchat, and then download it. By following all these steps, your Snapchat sounds would work. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.